Iranians around the country are celebrating the reported death of President Ibrahim Raisi in a helicopter crash. Footage shows people setting off fireworks and cheering in the streets of Tehran and other cities. His potential demise has sparked celebrations among many Iranians who despise his repressive policies and economic mismanagement. While the president's fate remains uncertain, Iranians both inside the country and in the diaspora have taken to the streets and social media to express their joy at the news.